All right, good morning, traders. Today is September 21st, 2023. My SPY pivot is 441.25. I don't think we'll get anywhere near it today. All four indices and the FNGU are in daily downtrends. US dollar index continues higher, now challenging the 2023 high made on March 8th this year. USO, also in a daily uptrend, is experiencing an hourly pullback. Both UNG and SLV are in daily downtrends inside of their consolidation channels. GLD is also in a daily downtrend inside its bullish consolidation triangle. In the pre-market, SPY is challenging the pullback low made on August 18th. So let's go take a look at some charts. Let's blow this up. Here's daily candle. You can see in the pre-market we're down here. We are in a daily downtrend, breaking through this uptrend here. Bears need to break the uptrend. They did it. So here we are with lower, we got lower highs, and here's the last low and lower lows. SPY in a daily downtrend. QQQ. Same thing happening. Lower high, lower low. Daily downtrend. QQQ. FNGU. Lower high. Well, we've got a lower high and a lower low here. We've made a lower high here. And we're off to challenge the most recent low over here. Made on, same low made on 8/18. So FNGU also daily downtrend underneath the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern. IWM. Daily downtrend, lower high, lower low. Breaking the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern on IWM. Let's take a look at SMH. Here we are with SMH, daily downtrend, lower highs, lower lows, more lower highs, and excuse me, we're looking for lower lows. Wrong one, SMH. All right, SMH, daily downtrend, lower highs and lower lows. IYT. All right, these are our transports, got lower highs and lower lows, daily downtrend. XLF might have a different story. XLF is in a daily uptrend, going through some consolidation right now. Okay, so here is a higher low and a higher high. So XLF going through consolidation. Bulls need to break the downtrend. Bears need to break the uptrend. Right there, XLF. XLF is showing some strength here. I got to say, since about August 18th or so, XLF has been looking good. I think XLF kind of takes out this high pretty soon. Maybe in about a month, we can get up over this downtrend right here, XLF. Okay, let's take a look at USO. Here's crude oil. Daily uptrend, higher low, higher high. Look at it on the hourly chart, and you can see right here we have a lower high and a lower low. So we have an hourly downtrend inside of our daily uptrend right here. There's USO. UNG. Okay, UNG on the daily chart. We are in a consolidation channel, and we are making lower highs and lower lows. So still in a daily downtrend in the consolidation channel. SLV, kind of doing the same thing. Consolidation triangle, consolidation channel. Here's the channel. There's the triangle. Just consolidating in a daily downtrend, making lower highs and lower lows here. SLV. GLD. Okay, GLD in a consolidation triangle as well, making lower highs, but kind of holding on to this 175 area, not quite making lower lows yet, but just still in a downtrend throughout here. So there's GLD. Let's go take a look at the dollar index. Here's our dollar index. This is the 2023 high right here. See, 2023. This is the high made on March 8th up there. And you can see we are challenging that high today. So US dollar index up at 105.64, still grinding higher. Economic calendar. Today we have jobless claims at 8:30, Philly Fed Manufacturing Index 8:30, existing home sales 10 o'clock, tomorrow PMI at 9:45. Earnings calendar for today is we got Darden Restaurants comes out this morning and Facet Research comes out this morning. Other than that, there's no big movers. There's no big market cap stocks in there. And on Friday, just a whole lot of ADRs, foreign countries or foreign holdings. So that's it for economic calendar and earnings. Let's go take a look at Max Payne. Okay, Max Payne for tomorrow, 444 with 2.5 puts to every call. So at 444, Max Payne for the Monday, 445. So there we go with Max Payne right there. That's for tomorrow. Let's go take a look at our T2122 indicator. All right, we were up in the buy zone yesterday, high flying up here. Had our hopes up, making higher lows, not quite making the higher high. Then came the, the pre-FOMC rollover, and then we just kind of traded down, and we fell all the way through the bullish chop zone, actually challenging the bearish chop zone. I'll bet we're in the sell sometime today. We will be in the sell zone. I bet we open up in the sell zone down here at T2122. T2123, kind of falling off the map here. Big fall, lots of space, probably even gap even lower than that this morning. There's T2123, not good for the bulls there. T2123, 3-bar chart. Space now opening up between trend indicator and price action on T2123. Looks like FedEx made a little rally here this morning, and we'll take a look at FedEx actually overnight after the close. So here's FedEx kind of gapping up, and let's take a look at it on the 30-minute chart. And I'm going to turn on the pre-market and the post-market. So we've got some downtrends here in FedEx right through there. And you can see we're looking for price action to probably produce another MMRP. And if you look at it on the daily chart, I know I got a lot of lines there. Let's try something without that many lines. All right, so here is the igniting candle up. All right, so this only happened last night. All right, this is a 30-minute candle. If you go down to the 30-minute chart, you can see right there. Or just take an hourly candle. So there's an hourly candle up. Look for the pause. Look for the pullback to support. And support is probably going to be located right on the backside of one of these downtrend channels. It could be either at 260 or 257 down here. So we'll see if there's a pullback. We don't know if it's going to set up on the hourly time frame or if it's going to continue to grind higher. We'll see what happens. There's FedEx in the aftermarket. So look for the pullback to the downtrend line and look for the the J hook to materialize on the backside of that downtrend line. And to make that downtrend line, all I did was connect the tops up here, these highs, and extend it down to here. So I would expect this one to break, but the next one to hold at 257, only because this one hasn't been tested yet. We'll see what happens. There's FedEx. And that's it for this morning. I'm going to go take questions in the trading room. We have an open house until Friday. The links will be in the description. There is a trial offer for $24.50, and you can have a 30-day membership to our trading room. Yesterday we made good. We traded SPY 444 puts, and after we broke the pivot, I said, it's a good chance I'm going to put on a substantial position to the downside. And here it is. It really paid out big yesterday, and it paid out big this morning. So I'm going to take questions now in the room. I want to thank all the visitors for showing up. I hope you consider a membership. If you don't consider a membership with me, please consider one with Rick or Doug at Right Way Options and Hit and Run Candlesticks.